Hi everyone, so in this video you will learn how to read data from a Google Sheet as JSON in JavaScript. As you can see, I already have a Google Sheet right in front of me. You need to make sure that Google Sheet is public. As you can see, I have this in view only mode and it contains a couple of columns. So basically I want to create a very small example where I will enter ID of this user, and when I will click on the get button, I want to display the first name, last name and the age. I'm going to use this API Opensheet. So this API is completely open source and you just need to provide the spreadsheet ID here and the tab name. So currently I only have one tab, so it will go something like this. Let me copy and paste it here. So sheet ID will be this. Since it only has one tab, so I will put one here, and you can see we're having the data right in front of us. So it is completely in JSON format. You simply read it using the JavaScript and display the output on the screen. So let's get started. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. You need a basic HTML structure here and a link to a style sheet. It will be style.css. Script file at the bottom, script.js. We need a couple of elements. So first will be div element and it will contain an input element. It will be of type number. Just remove this part, we don't need it. Also we need one button. Let's make it get. We need to display the data. So let's have a couple of span elements here. Let's give it an ID of name. Copy and paste it. Let's make it age and give it an ID of age. Save it. Create a style sheet here. Select the div element. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be around 5 pixels. Margin top will be around 10 pixels. Select the span element. Font weight will be bold. Font size will be around 20 pixels. Save it. Create a script file here. Script.js. Select all the elements one by one. So first we'll go with the button. Then we'll select the input element. Now span elements will select it by the ID. Just copy and paste it. It will be age. Add event listener to the button. Event will be click. I will call this function show info. Let's create this function here. It will be an asynchronous function because we'll make a fetch request to the API. Now we need a sheet ID here. Let's copy this. Create a variable sheet ID. Also we need a tab ID. So let's make it 1. Let's form a URL. Just copy it. Paste it here. Now just replace it. Since it's a template literal, we can use curly braces. Same logic goes here. Now we need to make a fetch request. So variable will be response. We'll wait for the response like this. So let's make it data. Await response.json. We need to parse it. Now we need to look for the user by the ID. So we'll use a find method here. Data.find. So it will be input element dot value. That's it. Now let's display it in the span element. So it will be inner text. We'll use template letters here again. So it will be user dot first, just a space, then user dot last. Same logic goes for the age element. User dot age. Perfect. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. Now let's type 1 here. It will give us this Will Smith. Click get. You can see. Now let's try with this 4th Jackie Chan. That's it. So it's very simple to use this API. I will add a link of this API in the description. It is basically open source, so you don't need to worry about it. Plus they also have some caching mechanism. I think they will cache for up to 30 seconds. So you will not end up hitting the Google server again and again. I think it is mentioned here. So I think you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.